Guys, welcome back to Car Spec Garage. Today we're doing a leak down test on the 67 Giulia Sprint GT's motor. It's a 1600. We're going to see if this motor has to be rebuilt. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and the results are not good. We're definitely gonna have to rebuild the motor, unfortunately. Well, no, it's a good thing. Again, I want this car to be perfect in all sense of the word for the new owner. So I've got the results of the leak down. I thought I would film it, but anyway, I didn't have a chance to film it, but here we go. So cylinder number 1, 42% leaking. Cylinder number 2, 35% leaking. Cylinder number 3, the best one yet, 5%, so that's not bad. And then cylinder number 4 is 42% leaking. All of them are, the leaking is coming back up through the oil filler cap area. So that tells me we got some bad rings. Again, we're rebuilding the top end and the bottom end. I'm going to be ordering parts next week. We're going to video document it. We're going to paper document it so that the next owner knows how the motor was built, when it was built, so that they have peace of mind. All right, guys, this is just a quick video. I'm going to get everything ordered and let you know once we get everything in, and then we're going to get started. All right, guys, make it a great day. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and God bless.